In this video, I'll show you how to update the firmware for the receiver of your Logitech MX Master 4. So if you're using the receiver, you'll know that you need regular updates so that it's compatible with whenever you're using the mouse on your computer. To ensure that the receiver is up to date, you need to first start by ensuring that the mouse is connected to your computer via the receiver. And then you want to go ahead and launch the Logi Options Plus app on your Windows PC laptop or even on your Mac. From here, just go ahead and select your mouse and then choose the option Settings. Under Settings, you should see Receiver Firmware. So all you need to do is simply select Check for Update. If there's any available, it will let you know and you can just go ahead and install it. But as you can see, I am using the latest version. So I shouldn't be experiencing any issues whenever it comes to connection with the mouse and the receiver. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you guys in the next video.